romantic behaviors women do that men secretly adore. Love isn't always about grand gestures or picture-perfect beauty. Often, it's the quiet, everyday moments that make a man fall deeper in love. The way she laughs, the glance she steals, the warmth in her presence. These are the things that stay in his heart. Here are 15 beautifully simple behaviors women do that men find irresistibly endearing. 1. Resting your head on his chest. There's something deeply intimate about this moment. When you gently rest your head on his chest, he feels like your safe place, strong, needed, and trusted. It's a silent expression of closeness that speaks louder than words. 2. Playing with his hair. A soft touch to his hair can be surprisingly tender. For many men, it's soothing, affectionate, and even a little flirtatious. It's a simple way of saying, "I'm here and I care." 3. Complimenting him publicly. A sincere compliment, especially when shared with the world, has a powerful effect. Whether in a post, a toast, or casual conversation, showing appreciation for him makes him feel seen, valued, and proud to be yours. 4. Truly listening to him. In a world full of noise, being heard is a rare gift. When you give him your full attention, listening not just to reply but to understand, you create a space where his heart feels at home. 5. Calling him even when you're busy. Taking a moment during a hectic day to check in with him shows thoughtfulness and love. It's not about how long you talk, but the fact that you thought of him when you didn't have to. 6. Being gently affectionate in public. A soft touch, holding hands, or a light kiss on the cheek, these acts of subtle affection are incredibly romantic. They let him know you're proud of him and proud to be his. 7. Smiling because of him. When your eyes light up and a smile spreads across your face because of something he said or did, it tells him that he brings joy into your life, and that's one of the most rewarding feelings a man can have. 8. Creating physical closeness. Whether it's cuddling on the couch or simply resting your hand on his, physical closeness fosters emotional intimacy. It reassures him that you're present, not just in the room, but in the moment, together. 9. Letting him catch you looking at him. There's magic in that moment when he looks up and sees you watching him with admiration. It's playful, genuine, and deeply flattering, a glance that lingers in his memory. 10. Letting things feel natural. The most beautiful connections don't feel forced. When you're easy to talk to, laugh effortlessly with him, and allow the relationship to flow, it builds a love that's grounded, strong, and real. 11. Offering thoughtful advice. Men may not always admit it, but they appreciate a partner who offers wisdom and perspective. When you help him think things through with kindness and clarity, it reminds him he's not alone. He has a true teammate. 12. Holding his gaze. Deep eye contact is intimate and vulnerable. When you look into his eyes with love and sincerity, it builds a powerful emotional bridge. One that words can't cross, but hearts understand. 13. Your natural allure, especially when ovulating. It's fascinating how nature works. Studies show men are subconsciously more drawn to women during ovulation. The confidence, energy, and warmth you naturally exude during this time doesn't go unnoticed. 14. Being genuine and honest. There's something incredibly attractive about authenticity. When you're honest, open, and emotionally real, it creates a foundation of trust, something every man cherishes in a lasting relationship. 15. Wearing red. Red is the color of passion, confidence, and desire. Whether it's a red dress, a swipe of red lipstick, or even red nails, this bold hue captivates and charms in ways both timeless and undeniable. In the end, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about being present, being kind, and being you. That's what men truly love.